Hello everyone, welcome back. I've got an epic video for you today. Hope you enjoyed the ride. A crazy truck driver tried to hit these bikers multiple times, but this biker had a wild way of retaliating. Check it out. After nearly getting sideswiped, this biker was furious and had a little temper outburst. The biker was slowing down for a turn but didn't slow down enough, and the gravel wiped him out instantly. Luckily there was a guy nearby to help, and he was hecka cool.
Oh, mother, bro.
You okay, buddy?
Yeah, I'm good.
I'm over here and I see how you.
It's all that rocks, bro.
You gotta be careful, bro. Yeah, I
You help me
see how
pick
you
it
do
up?
it. Yeah, I help you out.
Thank you, bro.
Hold on, hold on. Damn.
Alright, kick sentence on the side.
We down, yeah. Yeah, I sit down over here in my truck and I see when you was pulling over here.
It was on this side, right?
Yeah, it was on that side right there.
It doesn't even look that bad.
It's the little right here.
Lost
Maybe
it.
this one right here.
It's turn signal.
Yeah, I don't think it was too bad.
This kept most of it.
What is that one?
It's a slide. That's what it's for.
Oh. Damn, I know. Oh,
Bro, it's not even that old,
It's
bro.
over here, man. Right now it's kind of hot. Kinda. Push it a little bit down. Yeah. It might snap or something.
Yeah, I need a new.
Maybe this one go over here, right?
I need a new spring, and bro,
Yeah, spring. Yeah, spring broke.
it's not that bad.
No, it's not that bad though.
Thank you.
Yeah.
These dirt bikers accidentally got onto private land. It took them a while to get out. Just when they thought they were free, they were confronted out of nowhere.
Oh. No, we got stuck in that forest. We're trying to find our way back. Oh no, we'll leave. We're not trying to mean any harm. No, we're just.
Or you could be my little friend. I mean,
we're just trying. We'll leave. We're sorry. We're just trying to leave. Hey, man.
I see anybody on my private property.
I'm sorry. We're sorry.
For you people stealing cars, scratching cars, stealing houses.
Stealing houses.
There's too many steps.
Yeah, we'll leave. I'm
Should
so.
not be on private property.
We didn't think these woods were your property.
Matter, this is private property. How do I know you're not trying to steal my cars?
We're leaving. We'll leave.
How do I know you're not trying to steal anything from my house?
No, we're just trying to find somewhere to ride. Yeah.
That means you just land belongs to you.
Next time I see you guys, I'm gonna find it as a threat and I'm gonna make
We won't come back. I promise.
This is not a gun. This is
I'm
not
sorry.
a weapon. This is mace.
We're sorry.
I have kids in that house.
We're
How do I
sorry.
know you're not here to rob us? How do I even know you're not here to rob my car?
We're not trying to mean any harm.
How do I know that?
I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. We'll leave. Yo, Sam. We're sorry, man. We'll leave.
Look, you gotta be careful because you got a lot of these areas that are very private property. Just because you don't have houses or you don't have establishments on them doesn't mean it don't belong to you. You know, and if you notice,
I'm so sorry.
Problems because you got a lot of little idiots that come in here. They want to throw little parties. They got trash. They want to. That's all I'm just saying, man.
We're so sorry.
All right, man.
We'll leave.
Just be safe. Just be careful next time, man.
Yeah.
The man was okay and pretty respectful, but the lady was extremely threatening and went berserk.
Go.
Imagine you're driving down the road and you see this.
Oh my God. Oh my f***ing God.
Call the 911.
Hold on a minute. Oh my God. Did they get run over?
No, I saw him sliding into the...
Did somebody call?
This might be the scariest close call you'll ever see. The bikers immediately pulled over to calm down. A taxi driver took issue with this man being in public area, claiming he was trying to sleep but couldn't sleep because of the man stalking. The angry cab driver began hurling racial slurs and got physical. This is a crazy scene. Make sure to watch until the end.
洋鬼子，哇哦！
讲话小声一点哦。
你骂我洋鬼子？
我洋鬼子，你不是洋鬼子，你自己写的。讲话小声一点啦，人家睡觉了。
嗯哼。哦，你睡觉在外面在拜天呢，你还敢骂别的人？
不要玩 gay 了。
你闭嘴，猪头！
闭嘴！你凭什么叫我闭嘴？
你刚刚说。
你不要动我！你不要动我
！OK。
你打我，叫警察！你打我！
你打给警察，我给他们看。
你打我！你打我！
你的裤子为什么没穿便带？
你打我！你才变态！
我不是打你，
你才变态！你打我！你不要动我！你不要动我！
不要靠近我！
你不要动我！
你用手做什么？你要打人吗？
你也闭嘴啊！
我不会。
你闭嘴啊！
这个是白天，在一个公园。
闭嘴！你叫我闭嘴！凭什么叫我闭嘴？ 干嘛要找下面撞？你可以小声一点嘛！
为什么要？
为什么要？这里不是你家了！
我为什么要小心？不要靠近我！
你不要动我！
不要靠近我！
你不要动我！你不要打我！
不要靠近我！
你不要打我！
不要靠近我！你一直不要靠近我！
你不要打我！你不要动小疾病！
不要靠近我！
你不要动我！
你一直靠近我！
你不要动我！
好，我先后退，不要靠！你超过这个。
为什么？这里不是你家了！你叫警察了，不是你家了。
嗯哼。
啊！
我可以，我当然可以保护我自己，白痴。
我没有动到你，保护我。
你一直撞到我，你一直沾着我的鞋子。
你动到我，
你吐口水在我。
Only a small portion of you are subscribed. Hit that subscribe button to help us rebuild our community.
Oh, it's Jason.
In this group of bikers, one rider got pulled over for not having a license plate. While one cop dealt with him, another one was circling the rest of the group, looking for anything illegal. Spoiler alert, he found something.
Not too bad. Yeah.
You guys drew attention to yourselves today, do you know that?
What's that? What?
Well, I guess you guys were flying up Foot Park Road, and when you left out of the gas station, someone cutting other people off. No?
Mm-mm.
I mean, we left that gas station, but
yeah, we were at the gas station, but we didn't do anything crazy.
Okay, well, so you guys know, that one's illegal. The plate can't swing.
Gotcha.
So you know, you're riding that thing's flying up. Oh, even worse.
Oh boy.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a $180 ticket. That one's illegal. The plate can't swing. Gotcha. So you know, because when you're riding that thing's flying up. Oh,
yeah, I literally had just zip ties and.
Together, really?
Yeah.
right now, actually, too. So, you know, if your buddy. So, get that fixed. Try to see you again, because you're like.
Gotcha.
Thursday, Friday morning. The only one pretty good. So,
Understood.
guys, be careful.
All right, thank you.
Just when you think it's safe to let your guard down and relax for a second, it's not.
But not being able to get back to the side.
Oh, crook.
Oh.
You'd think this driver braked to let the biker overtake them more easily, right? But the biker said while brake checking them, the driver also flipped them off.
What are you doing? Go. What's your problem? Pull up. Turn, turn.
After witnessing something like this, you might need a moment to collect yourself and also change your pants.
Yo, did you see that? I almost died.
The biker did the right thing here. The other party should have stopped as well, but they weren't interested in doing that. The food delivery rider rode his bike like he has 9 lives. The biker had just gotten on his bike seconds ago and he stopped at the first stop sign when he came across an extremely angry cyclist who was mad for absolutely no reason. Three friends were riding their bikes and decided to stop at the curb. As one driver was passing by, he shouted at them. The bikers wanted to find out why, so they chased him down to get an answer.
What did you say, mate?
What?
You shouted something.
Not you, I didn't.
No, you did.
No, not you, I didn't.
Did I? Was it just me hearing it?
One of you two shouted or something.
Get your bikes off the road, mate. You don't need to.
Was we indicated?
What?
Did I have?
We were all right out on the road like that.
Well, I wasn't, was I? So they shouted at me, was there?
Like that, mate.
I didn't, did I? So why? Why are you telling in that? Idiot. We don't think we're big, but you don't need to say something. I didn't, did I? I didn't, did I?
Yeah.
So why are you shouting at me? Shout at them two who did. Well, ram her off the road then. But I don't care, ram us off the road. Do it then. You know.
The biker stopped behind a car at a stop sign. He waited for a while until he figured out that the person was on their phone, not moving.
Phone down. Phone down. Even though it's dangerous for us bikers, we could just hit somebody. Okay? I appreciate that, okay? Have a good one.
This kid definitely enjoyed revving this bike.
You wanna rev it? Here, flip that throttle. Here, hold me. Okay, wow, dude.
It's concerning how little regard some people have for traffic laws.
You know you just went through a red light. No, you know that the pedestrians go green light. No. Have a look. Have a look, you.
Abi sakin olun, ne yapıyorsun?
Samet abi elinizi ayağınızı öpeyim.
Bırak ulan! Abi yapma, sakin ol abi. Abi ne yapıyorsunuz mübarek günde, sakin olun.
Getirilmez, silah getirilmez. Vurma. Sakin. Herkes sakin olsun.
YouTube thinks you're going to enjoy this video.